Welcome to your daily coronavirus update. So, quick little trick. When we put the wheels back on, most of the Porsches have locking lug nuts. So, when we put the lugs on, we try to always make sure that the locking lug is in the same place on all four wheels. And you're thinking to yourself, why? That's a little too OCD. Well, it's actually not. It's a time-saving thing and a little bit of back saving, right? Because once we get this guy on the ground, we're going to have to go torque all these lug nuts to 95 foot-pounds. They're silver, not black. So no 117 foot-pounds here, just 95. So what I do is I always make sure that my locking lug bolt, if you will, wheel bolt, is in the same spot on all four wheels. So in this case, the way this wheel is designed, the thing that the hole that's directly across from the valve stem is right here. Now on other wheel designs, your hole that's directly across from the valve stem is a lot closer on the other side. But regardless of where you pick, if you do that, all four wheels, when you bend down to go torque them, you're going to have to put this snazzy little wheel lock on there, and you'll know exactly where it goes because you can reference it very quickly. So some of these wheels have very, very deep offsets of where the lug bolts are tough to see. So you end up going, oh, is that it? Oh, is that it? No, you don't have to do that. You know, you put it directly across from the valve stem. This car already has the crest lined up, but now would be a perfect time to line up those crests so that you can make sure when you go to a Cars and Coffee, nobody says, hey, your crests are supposed to be pointed at your valve stems. I don't think that's a hard and fast rule, but I think a lot of people do it. And we all like to give each other crap about it when they're off because we try our best to always make sure that lines up. So when next time you pull a wheel off, or all four wheels, in this case we were bleeding the brakes or doing a brake flush, when you put them back, put your locking lug nut in the same place on all four wheels, and then you'll have no question when this thing's down on the ground of where do I put my wheel lock. So we kept it simple for today. It's a nice Thursday. It's a little dreary out, but if you're stuck at home and you're watching these YouTube videos, this is your daily update. Check us out at BreitWerks.com.